स्क्रीन दिसते काय हो?
दिसतंय.
ते बघा ना, विकत घ्यायला लावा बरं का. हे असं कसं शिकताय मला माहित नाही ना, तुम्ही खरं शिकताय का नाही हे पण महत्वाचाच प्रश्न आहे. असलं डिस्टर्बन्स आणि काय बघा ना, असलं शिकण्यात मजा नाही बरं का.
सर टाइम स्पॅन वाढवता येतोय झूम मध्ये. टाइम स्पॅन वाढवता येतोय.
हा, ते मला येत नाही हो. सांगता का जरा कसं वाढवायचं? बाकीची सगळ्यांनी वाढवलंय काय? ठीक आहे.
नाही.
कसं वाढवायचं? हॅलो, कोण बोलला आहे ना तिकडे? स्नेहल काय? स्नेहल
येस सर.
स्नेहल पाटील. कसं वाढवायचं माहितीये काय ना? मला सांगाय ना, मी वाढवतोय.
सर मी आता नाही सांगू शकत. मी तुम्हाला असं सांगू शकत नाही. स्क्रीन रेकॉर्ड करून मी पाठवते तुम्हाला.
बर बर बर. लय लय बरं होईल बरं का माझ्यासाठी, आणि मी तुमचा आभारी राहीन आहे. ठीक आहे. झाले का जॉईन सगळे? बघा आहे ना. किती वेळ राहिला आपल्याकडे? अर्धा तास? समजतंय? समजतंय का काही? बरं का, आपल्याकडे वेळ थोडासा कमी, मी फास्ट घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय आणि व्यवस्थित सांगण्याचा पण थोडासा प्रयत्न करतोय आणि मोडता तोडता. आय होप यू आर अंडरस्टँडिंग. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? इन्क्लुडिंग मानसी. हेलो, I should not supposed to forget her. Hello from Jammu. Hello. Yes. Hello. I hope everyone had joined. Okay. Screen दिसते का?
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood output screen, input screen, where actually we are giving instructions? Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I am giving small task to you today after completion of this session, or in the night or in the evening if you'll get some time. So what you do, you install that Turbo C Droid application in your mobile, and have you taken screenshot of this? Take a screenshot of this. Take screenshot from your mobile. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now later on what you can do, you can write this program in your notebook and try to execute this program with your mobile. Will it be possible for you? By using a Turbo C Droid application, you can execute this program in your mobile, and in next lecture you can give your feedback about using Turbo C Droid on the mobile. Hello.
Okay, sir.
हो.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक है. So output screen we have cleared. Now next instruction I am giving. Suppose on this output, already I told you I cannot write anything on the output screen. If I wanted to write anything on the output screen, once again I need to give another instruction. Let us understand. I want to display welcome message on the output screen. So one more function we have, like CLR SCR function, that is printf function. So double quote, semicolon. So this is the syntax. You by heart the syntax. Okay. And in the double quotes, whatever message we will be writing, that message will be displayed on the output screen. So here I am writing welcome. Okay. F2. Let us save it. Let us not forget to save. And here I can write to display a message on the output screen. So printf function we are using to display message on the output screen. Once again, I'm saving this file. F2, save. F10, compile. You can compile your program. You can execute your program. After execution, you can observe your output screen from the window option, window output. So welcome message will be displayed on the screen. Hello. Hello. So print.
Yes, sir.
So printf is the function which is helping us to display certain or appropriate messages on the output screen. Okay. Hello. Hello. काय अडचण? Hello.
No, sir.
Have
No,
you
sir.
have you taken screenshot? इथे म्हणू आपण
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीनशॉट घ्यायच्या आधी a C program to clear output screen and display welcome message. Now you take screenshot. Now you take screenshot. Okay. Next thing we are trying to learn, understand here after execution this program. Once again, I am executing. Please observe carefully. After executing this program, we are not getting output screen and immediately. What we need to do, we need to go to window, then output, and in this way we will get output screen. To avoid this every time, it is not possible for us to go to window and output. To avoid this, one more function we are using, that is getch, and this getch function will help us to hold here I will write to hold output screen after execution of program. समझ लगा? Hello. Why we are using getch? Hello. So CLR SCR is the standard library function which is helping us to clear the previous output screen. Similarly, getch is another function, okay, standard library function which is helping us to hold the output screen after execution of our program. Now you observe, I am compiling my program, and after compilation, once I will execute it, एक minute, once I will execute it, immediately output screen will also be displayed by the computer on the screen, on the monitor, on the mobile. दिसली का? Hello. Yes.
Yes.
Have you
Yes, sir.
have you understood why to use getch? getch कशासाठी वापरतो कळलं का? हॅलो.
येस सर.
getch मुळे काय झालं तिकडे आपला प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट झाला रे झाला. वन्स वी विल एक्झिक्यूट आवर प्रोग्राम इमिजिएटली आउटपुट स्क्रीन will be displayed on the monitor or on the screen. We should not supposed to click on this window and output. These two steps we are avoiding with the help of getch function. So getch function is helping us to hold output screen after execution of the program. So have you understood this? Hello. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
I'm moving towards next program. Here, how to open next and new file. Now you go to file. Again, you press open. Okay. You can press. You can click on this arrow. No name means what? New file we have opened, but yet we haven't saved this file. So once again, I will click on this file. Let us save our file. Now this is my second file. So I will write 2.c. Let us press enter key. Yes. Now second file we have saved. Let us write another program, basic program. Okay? Arithmetical operations we will try to understand initially. Let us write another program. Hello, easy program घेऊ आपण. ठीक आहे. A fast घेऊ आता आपण. ठीक आहे. Already शिकलेलं आहे तुम्ही हे जास्त मी आता सांगत नाही तसं. A C program to perform addition of two integer numbers. Who will help me? stdio.h standard input output header file, hash include ponyo.h console input output header file. Without main function program will not be executed. Void main, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Between opening and closing curly bracket we can write our instructions. Now our second program or second task which we wanted to perform with the help of machine, that is we wanted to perform addition of two integer numbers. Now in C language already we have learned, okay, data types. Which type of data you are using in the program, accordingly you can use and variables in the program. Variables, what is meant by variable? Whose value we can change throughout the program. Am I right? Hello. Variables in the mathematics also we have learned different kinds of variables we can use while solving any kind of problems. We are using variables. So variables are the entities whose value we are changing throughout the program, whose value is not remaining constant, and constants are the entities whose value is not changing throughout the program. Such entities we are calling it as constants. Am I right? Hello, hello. Yes. आहेत का तिकडे? हॅलो, मला दिसत नाहीये स्क्रीन. हॅलो, हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ठीक आहे. बघा ना, एक दोघं जरी असले तरी बास झालं आपल्याला. बाकी सगळे गेले असं मला वाटतं. नो इश्यू. So let us use three variables. So int is the data type. When I am writing int, okay, using integer type of variables in my program, and let us consider three variables I'm using: a comma b comma c. These are the three variables. These three variables I have declared. This is the step we are calling it as declaration of variables. So here I will write declaration of variables. And which type of variables I have used? Hello, hello. Which type of variables we are using?
Integer.
Very good. Integer type of
Integer.
variables we are using. So A, B, C, these are the variables, and these variables, if I will mention int, it means these three variables are integer type of variables. Now, while writing the program itself, you have to decide and out of these three variables, which are input variables and which are output variables. It is totally depend on you. Generally, normally, first two variables we are considering input variables, and last variable we are considering where we are trying to store our result. A and B, these two variables, A and B, these two variables we have where we will be accepting input through the keyboard. Or first of all, we will write easy program where initialization we will do for this A. Value of A I will initialize as 10. Value of B I will write as 20, semicolon, and formula I will mention C is equal to A plus B. Directly we will write. So only these three statements I will write, and I will try to execute my program, compile kara diye, then you can execute your program. Alt F3. So after execution, if you will observe an output screen, so previous output will not be cleared because you missed to use CLR SCR. So after declaration of variable, generally normally we are using an CLR SCR function. This function will help us to clear the previous output screen. Now once again, if I will compile, F3 2.c F5. Let us save it. Let us compile it. So output screen is not visible. To hold the output screen, one more function at the end. Let us write it, get ch, and this function will help us. Once program will be executed, it will display output screen immediately, but it will not display the result. Sangil ka, what is the reason? Sangil ka kon? Hello, hello. What is the reason why we are not getting output on the output screen? Hello, hello. Yes. Here value of A is equal to 10, value of B is equal to 20. Machine will store all those values. Then we are writing formula where actually values we are trying to add, and result will be stored in C. So C is our output variable.
We not declare the variable.
Correct. So value of C, machine will calculate, but we have not instructed to the machine to display the result on the output screen. To display the result on the output screen, we'll have to use printf function. Value value of C is equal to, so value of C is integer type of value, therefore format specifier we are using as %d. For integer we are using %d as format specifier. Then double quotes complete, okay, then comma, then you can mention value of C you wanted to display on the output screen, therefore I will mention C. So in this way printf function can be written. This printf function will help us to display the result on the output screen. Am I right? Hello. Yes. Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once again, I'm executing this program, so you'll get an value of C is equal to 30. Or instead of value of C is equal to 30, same message can be displayed in another way. Printf. बघा ना कशा पद्धतीने किती पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल ना addition is equal to %d comma c. This is another way with which you can display the result. Control insert copy, shift insert paste. Instead of addition I can write c is equal to %d, and if I will execute it, it will display an value of c is equal to 30, addition is equal to 30, c is equal to 30, but all results, all three results machine is displaying in the same line. Am I right? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To display new result, next result to the new line, what we are using in C language?
Hashtag n.
Very good.
No, light line n.
Backslash n. द्या मग ते backslash n. So backslash n we have added म्हणून ठीक आहे before message. Now I will execute. Addition of c is equal to 30, value of c is equal to 30, addition is equal to 30, c is equal to 30. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose on the output screen I wanted to display value of a and b also. कसं दाखवणार? आपल्याला फक्त रिझल्ट दिसला पण value of a and value of b, it is not displayed on the output screen. To display value of a and b on the output screen, again I can use printf function double quote /n. A is equal to %d and value of a we can display with the help of this statement. Similarly, control insert copy, shift insert paste. Value of b also you can display on the output screen. Save it. Yes. Now if I will execute it, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, value of c is equal to 30, addition is equal to 30, c is equal to 30. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, sir.
Please take the screenshot first. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Now here, whatever program we have written, it is specific program. Let us try to understand difference between specific program and generalized program. Specific program means what? Where values we have initialized, we are not accepting value of a and b through the keyboard. Therefore, this program is specific program. जेवढ्या वेळा आहे ना, how many times I'm executing, this many times same output I will be getting, because we are not able to change value of a and b through the keyboard. Am I right? Hello. We are not
Yes,
able to
sir.
change value of a and b
Yes,
through
sir.
keyboard. Therefore, this program is specific program. Let us call this program as specific program. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us accept value of a and b through the keyboard. Instead of initializing value of a and b through directly writing in the program, let us accept value of a and b through the keyboard. Printf function, appropriate message needs to be displayed on the output screen. Output screen initially we wanted to display message, please enter value of a, and we will give access to the user or customer where value of a will be entered by the user or customer through keyboard. And to do so, what we are doing, first of all, we are mentioning printf message. So rest of the part I am passing comment. It means this part will not be executed by the machine. So in this way we can pass the comment. And here I can write printf semicolon double quote /n, please enter value of a. So this message will be displayed on the output screen. If I will execute it, so simply message will be displayed. But if I will try to enter value of a as 2, then it will not accept, because printf function will help us to display the message on the output screen. But if user needs to enter any input through the keyboard, in that case we are using another function, that is scanf. So scanf function will help us here I will write to accept values through keyboard. Am I right? Hello. Scanf function will help us to accept the values through keyboard. Now, which type of value you wanted to enter through keyboard? So value of A is integer type of value. Therefore, in double quotes, I will have to mention %d, then double quote complete comma, ampersand A. Ampersand A means what? At the address of A. Whatever value will be entering through keyboard, it will be stored in the address of A. Therefore, this statement will help us to accept the value of A, which is integer type of value. Integer type of value will be entered through the keyboard and it will be stored in the value in the A variable. असा अर्थ झाला त्याचा. Is it? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will execute this. Please enter value of A. Now if I will try to enter 20, so that 20 value will be entered and it will be stored in the variable A. Screen वर दिसली का?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes, sir.
now computer is accepting values from our side. Why computer is able to access values from our side? Because of scanf function. So scanf function helped us to accept value of A and it will be stored in the variable A. Similarly, I can copy it, control insert copy, shift insert paste. So let us make some kind of modifications. Instead of A, I will write B, %d, comma, ampersand B. And because of this, now on the output screen, such kind of things you will observe. Value of A you can enter through keyboard. Let us enter 20. Enter value of B. Let us enter value of B as 30. So whatever 30 value we have entered, it will be stored in variable B. Whatever value of A we have entered through keyboard as 20, it will be stored in variable A. Am I right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now simply what we will do, we will remove our comment. बघा आता एक comment काढून टाकायचं. It means we wanted to execute all those lines. All these lines I wanted to execute now.
काय
Abhishek Pujari, please mute yourself. Otherwise, I will have to remove you from this meeting. Hello. Okay. दिसलं का स्क्रीनवर दिस हॅलो स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला का हॅलो
Yes.
स्क्रीनशॉट स्कॅनअप फंक्शन
No, sir.
घ्या तो आहे ना स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. This is generalized program where value of A and B we can enter through keyboard, and this program will help us to perform addition of two integer numbers. घेतला का screenshot? Have you taken screenshot of the?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now let us compile this program. Let us execute this program. After execution, first of all, machine will ask to enter value of A. Let us enter value of A as 2. Let us press enter key. After pressing enter key, what will happen? We machine is asking to enter value of B, and let us enter value of B as 3. So 2 will be stored in A, B will be 2 will be stored in A, 3 will be stored in B, and after pressing enter key, it will display result on the output screen as 3. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, value of C is 5, addition is equal to 5, C is equal to 5. So have you understood how to perform addition of two integer numbers? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ह्याच्यामध्ये काय अडचण? हॅलो?
No, sir.
ठीक आहे.
No, sir.
ह्याच प्रोग्राम मध्ये थोडंसं मॉडिफिकेशन करतोय बघा ना. लेट अस मेक सर्टन मॉडिफिकेशन्स हिअर इटसेल्फ. मल्टिप्लिकेशन इन्स्टेड ऑफ ॲडिशन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू इंटिजर म्हणण्यापेक्षा थोडंसं चेंज करू आपण. वी आर चेंजिंग इन फ्रॅक्शनल व्हॅल्यूज. So when you wanted to multiply two numbers, and these two numbers, if these two numbers are fractional values, it means where decimal point we are using considering. So in such cases, integer we cannot use. Instead of integer, we are using float. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So data type we have changed. A, B, C. Out of these three variables, A and B are input variable. C is our output variable. So value of A, if you wanted to enter through keyboard, now value of A and B are fractional values. Therefore, percent D will not work here. Instead of percent D, what we can use?
Percent F.
Very good.
Percent F.
Percent F. So percent F. Here also I'll write percent F because we are using fractional values. Percent F. Percent F. Percent F. Percent F. Percent F. To save your file, instead of addition, what you can mention? Hello. Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Here also you will have to change formula. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A into B. So star symbol we are using to multiplication. Addition for plus for subtraction. काय बघा ना? Plus for addition. इथे दाखवतो मी थोडंसं. Plus for addition. Minus for subtraction. Star for multiplication. // for simple division. And modular percentage symbol for modular division. These all are arithmetic operations. These all are arithmetic operations. Okay. Hello. Let us execute. Hello. Let us execute.
Yes, sir.
सचिन रोकडे तुमचा व्हिडिओ बंद करा ना तर बाहेर तुम्हाला हकलायला लागेल. See here. I'm executing this program and 2.5 is the value of A. I'll press enter key. Value of B is say 2.0. So multiplication will be I think 5. अडीचच्या double म्हणजे 5. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, multiplication of two fractional values also we can perform. Please take the screenshot. घेतला का?
Yes, sir.
इथपर्यंत काय अडचण?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See here, sometimes we need an answer with 2 decimal places. असं असतं का सिव्हिल मध्ये काय? Hello. Now whatever answer we are getting here 2.5, how many times zeros? 5 times zeros. Yes. I wanted to display 2.50. It means after decimal point, I want to consider only 2 digits. I don't want these many digits in my answer. समजलं का काय करायचं? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I don't want those many digits after decimal point. Instead, value of A is A is equal to 2.5 and then 5 zeros. Instead of this, I want to display value of A as A is equal to 2.50, B is equal to 2.00. Now, in this case, in such cases, what kind of changes we can have in our program so that it will display only 2 decimal places after the decimal point. ते कसं करायचं बघा आहे काय बघा आहे ना हे सारखं झुंच हिअर काय करायला लागतं बघा आहे ना दिसण्यासाठी थोडंसं हे केलं. Here what you can do 0.2 you can write 0.2 0.2. Okay. Here also you can write 0.2. Here also you can write 0.2. 0.2. 0.2 f. 0.2 f. 0.2 f. 0.2 f. And here also you can write 0.2 f. F2, save your file. Let us check it. चुकलं काय तर. F2. स्कॅनएफ मध्ये 0.2 f लिहायचं नाही. सॉरी, मिस्टेक झाली बघा. सगळीकडे लिहिलं आपण. In scanf we cannot mention 0.2 f. Here we will have to mention %f because it is format specifier. But in the printf function we can mention 0.2 f. Save it. Now again I am giving the same values 2.5 and the value of b is 2. I will press enter key. So we will get answer with 2 decimal places. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If somebody wants only 1 decimal point, काय करणार?
0.1.
हा, तेवढं बघूया. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. F2, 2. Same example, 2.5, 2. Enter. So 2.5, 2.0, 5.0, 5.0, 5.0. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
समजलं का?
Got it, sir.
Huh? So once again you can take a screenshot for this 0.1f, 0.2f, 0.1 चा घ्या हा screenshot. Have you taken screenshot? Here you can
Yes,
mention. Here, see here, with the help of comments, such kind of extra information you can mention. Point 0.1 f is for %point f is for %point f is for displaying value with 1 decimal place. बरोबर? Hello. Yes. समजलं का? काय काय बघितलं आज? Hello. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any issues, any questions? 5 minutes. 5 minutes
No, sir.
where you can ask few questions. काय काय बघितलं कोण सांगेल एकदा? In last 5 minutes let us have revision. फटाफट अनम्यूट करून बोला. आपण थांबतो इकडे आज. आणि once again I'm requesting, please install Turbo C Droid application in your mobile, and whatever programs we have seen, have practice of it so that you will get one kind of confidence, because further whatever we will be learning, it will be very easy for you to understand all the things very fast. That's why practice is important. Only practice is important. Yes.
Yes, sir.
कोणाला काय बोलायचं असेल तर बोला आहे ना. Forum is open for you. Last 4 minutes we have. Hello. Any kind of suggestions you would like to give to me? Hello. Would you like to give any kind of suggestions? आपण चाललोय हे बरोबर आहे का? Whatever things we are following, is it okay? Hello. Is it okay? Mansi, is it
Yes,
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, if you will give me a certain logic, definitely we will write and programs related to civil engineering also. No issues. Later on, once our basic part will be covered, and so you can come up with certain civil engineering problems, and let us try to write a program for civil engineering domain. For example, do you have any irrigation kind of subject in your curriculum? Hello, irrigation वगैरह subject है क्या? Water management, irrigation. Hello.
आहेत की.
So if you will consider, okay, that is the problem.
काय आहे कोण दिला हा काय
काय बघाय ना disturbances. ठीक आहे, no issues. So suppose you are dealing with one dam for the irrigation purpose, and you wanted to supply काय म्हणणार बघा ना, you wanted to supply a large amount of water, and there is farm and farmer is there, and whatever farm that farmer has, okay, and we wanted to supply the water and with the help of irrigation system. So if we are using any kind of canal line near the dam, let us consider we have constructed one canal, and through that canal we wanted to supply the water under this irrigation system. So how much period is required, and that also we can calculate. Am I right? So that we can supply an adequate amount of water in the farmer's field. Hello. Yes. Hello. गेले वाटतं सगळ्यांना. Mansi, can you respond? Have you understood what kind of problem can you reiterate that problem in your language so that everyone can understand? I also can understand what I said. Hello, Mansi.
Yes, sir.
So irrigation problem we try to understand. So will you elaborate it in your own language so that I also can understand what I said, what I spoke? Hello. Last 1 minute we have. Please. Otherwise we will stop here. No issues. समजलं का काही? Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for
Yes, sir.
attending. Okay. Thank you very much for attending this session. I'm really happy. Huge kind of response today, and as this is our first session, and huge response I'm getting from Division A, where I'm finding 51 students they are attending this session. But out of those 55, how many active listeners are there? That is very big question. I hope everyone is attending an session carefully. Let us try to learn C programming language and implement this C programming language for civil engineering domain. Okay? Hello.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank